Okay, so I did turn 15K into $1.4 million. Kinda. In Python, with a fake trading strategy, using historical data, but still, 1.4 million is 1.4 million. So this is the exact script I used, and I'm gonna walk you through every line of it, because somehow it works way too well. And, okay, that green line there, that's my algorithm, and the red one, that's SPY. And let's just say this is insane. Okay, so the idea for my algorithm was pretty simple, to be honest. It's just, what if I bought the best stock every 5 days? No indicators, no analysis, just vibes, really. If a stock went up recently, I assumed it would keep going up. And I built it in Python, pulled some data, threw it in a loop, and accidentally made the S&P 500 look like a side quest. Okay, first up, the imports. We got yfinance to get data, pandas to organize it, numpy for mat, and Matplotlib for plots. You know, the standard stuff. And then I set some parameters. Backtest from 2020 to 2025, starting with $15,000, and hold the stocks for 5 days at a time. And from the top 3 momentum tickers, I buy 1. Flat fee of 2 cents per trade, and slippage, a little randomness to simulate real trades. And then I picked the 10 best, or big name stocks really. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, basically the whole gang, and plus SPY for some benchmarking. I downloaded all of the closing prices, I dropped the junk data, split SPY off basically completely to track it separately. And well, here's where the fun starts. The backtest loop. We loop through the data range 1 5-day block at a time. First time in, we buy SPY and just hold it forever. That's baseline. Meanwhile, my algorithm checks which stocks perform the best in 5 days. Grabs top 3, buys the best one. We divide our money into one trade, get the price with random slippage, calculate how many shares we can buy. Then simulate the sell 5 days later, again with random slippage. Takes the proceeds, subtract the flat fee, and update capital. We also save all of the trades into a list. Buy date, sell date, ticker, returns. It's all logged. Then we repeat the whole thing until the end of the time period. At the end, I turn all of the trades into a data frame. Same with SPY. Then I print the final capital, number of trades, and average return per trades. Final result, my momentum strategy, $1.4 million. The S&P 500, 25K, yeah, so kind of insane, yeah. Okay, next up, the plots. First, I made 2 clean graphs, one for my strategy and one for S&P SPY, basically. And then I made the fun one. Black background, lime green for my strategy, red for SPY, no grid, just raw chaos. Even spaced the y-axis in 50K intervals just so SPY wouldn't look completely flat, and it still does. It's all theoretical, of course, but still, I wasn't expecting it to work, this well. And now I'm running it in real time, so yep, same logic, same code, just live data now. No cherry picking, no hindsight, it either works or it doesn't. So yeah, I did write all this out. And I am reading from a script, if you can tell. Even this sentence, and this sentence. Okay, this entire video is a simulation of a script that runs on a simulation of fake trades that pretends to beat the market. It's like if Wall Street Bets went to therapy and learned pandas, okay? And finally, this is how I filmed it. Here, let me just show you. So this is the thing, a phone taped to a wall, just coconut water, soundbar, 2 plastic shelves. Hi, me recording. So that's basically the entire thing. And well, That's all good and all, right? So that's all good. This is not a joke. This is literally my setup, and you really don't need a studio. You don't need like a hedge fund. You don't need bajillions of dollars. All you need is Python, a shelf, and well, a little too much free time. Built in Python, filmed on a shelf. See you guys next time.